shit! Oh, it burns!
Yeah, you like that? You like that, cuz?
Now you think I can't swim like I'm some nut?
Shut your damn mouth, motherfucker!
I'm sorry. Sometimes the racism just comes out.
I'm bringing out the big guns.
Oh no, not the half-breed hip-hop Negro.
Shit, I'm bringing out the bigger guns, cuz. Yeah!
My motherfucking nigga. This is what I'm talking about, man. Us white people should be able to say the N-word too. It's cultural.
You was never possessed, was you, cuz?